their specialty here is pancakes, and I knew that the like adults pancake was big, but we ordered the kids pancakes, and look at the size of this thing. Are you gonna eat all that? Hey, are you gonna eat all that?
No, but I do want syrup on it.
And we accidentally ordered Mav one of those two, thinking that they were gonna be small, normal pancakes. There's no way she's gonna eat that. I've never seen anybody eat a pancake from the middle out. That's a very unique style. Do you guys eat middle out or out in? Hey guys, my name's James.
And I'm Ashley.
Last year we sold our house and we're traveling across the country with our kids.
Hi, my name's Goose, and this is Maverick. Come join us.
Good morning from Silver Dollar City, or as the cool people call it, SDC.
I know, I didn't know that's how it was. I'm on the in now though.
So, if you couldn't tell, we are at the Ozarks, like a theme park. This is the #1 theme park in the Ozark, and I'm using that word like I've known about it for a long time, but I just learned about, oh.
Is this where you get popcorn?
Pulling out funnel cakes. Oh, is that where I get my free popcorn?
That's the funnel cakes.
So not only are there awesome roller coasters here, Goose is very excited because there's one that goes upside down. So fingers crossed she is tall enough to go on it. But we're here with some amazing friends, the Loftis Party of 6, who this is like their hometown. They have season passes here, so they actually got us in for free. Actually, funny story.
Yeah.
Let's rewind here a few minutes. I don't think I've told you. So when we first got here, we were under the impression that the Loftis Party 6 was going to be able to get 2 out of the 3 of us in for free, because Goose is old enough now that we have to pay for her to come in. Maverick's still young enough she gets in for free. So anyways, we were in line waiting to buy a ticket for Goose, and then this lady comes up to me and taps me on the shoulder. She's like, "Excuse me, you're not buying tickets, are you?" I was like, yeah. She's like, "We actually have an extra ticket with our pass if you want to come in with us." So this sweet older couples, there's 2 older couples here all by themselves, no kids. Just these,
that's the way to go.
It's so cute. They're like, "Come on with us." So they're actually locals from around here, and so they got us in for free. So we didn't have to pay a dime on my birthday for us to come into this awesome park and hang out with friends. So I am very excited about today. Alright guys, we just visited the general store and I got my little birthday badge, which, you know, they do this at Disneyland too, but the way cooler thing here is there's like a list of things that you get. You get free kettle corn at one store, free ice cream at another store, and like discounts at different shops and whatnot. This so reminds us of Silverwood, the theme park that we visited when we were
so excited for summer
over on the West Coast visiting. If you guys remember, you've been watching us, we kicked off the summer by going to Silverwood, so it feels like a small-time theme park. It's so fun.
They're so funny.
So I am very excited about today.
I'm watching the kids.
So it was super cute. I forgot to mention the lady in there who gave me my badge. Actually, there was like a group of old people, and there was like 5 people hanging around the counter. But she's like, "You guys got a camera crew with you? Is this going up on YouTube or something?" And I'm like, "Actually, yeah." She's like, I told her what it was, and then as I was getting my badge, she brought over a piece of paper so I could write down our YouTube channel. So she's like, "I legitimately want to go check it out." So super cute. You guys ready for the first roller coaster? Goose, stand up next to here. You could actually ride this ride by yourself. You are now... All right, let's go. Dads and girls going on the first ride of the day. the time has come for me to redeem my free kettle corn. Comment down below, are you guys popcorn people or kettle corn? Usually it comes down to whether you're salty or sweet. I'm definitely a kettle corn person.
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. You guys have a wonderful day.
I love that kind.
So I was just asking them popcorn or kettle corn, and you're more of a popcorn person, right?
Yeah.
Because you are salty.
I love
I'm more of a
kettle
kettle corn. Yeah, because I'm a sweet. Although Goose will take whatever. She's a salty and a sweet person.
I like kettle corn. It's my favorite.
But it's mine. This is mine. My birthday food. It's mine. You guys want some? No, thank you.
See you later.
Faster than I
It was
thought.
deceivingly
That's so crazy.
It totally looks like a kid's ride from over here, but
Maverick.
they were cruising. I had to get you guys in slow motion to be able to see your faces.
Oh my gosh. Goose like lifted up her arms and just instantly hit me in the side. Oh my gosh, it was so much fun.
You want to go ride Dumbo? You want to go ride the elephant? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Come on, here, give me the water bottle. You gotta put it away. So the next ride we're going on, guys, is the Flooded Mine, and this is supposed to be like a water ride, but it's also like a gun shooting ride as well. It's a talking picture. It's like Harry Potter.
That's cool.
It's Harry Potter, Mom. Du, 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 du. How you doing, Goose? What are you at? 4,900. Nice job. Daddy's got up to 400. Mommy, what'd you get?
I'm only at 204.
So Mommy's gonna lose the bet.
I am an independent woman and I don't need no man. That's kind of what I'm thinking she's got going through her head.
Shoot, Mav, quick, shoot, 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 go, go, go. Yeah, you got her, keep going. Yeah, she got you. High five, you did it. Go, what happened? Did you get wet? She actually made direct contact with them. I didn't think there was a chance Mav was gonna get him wet, but she actually hit Michael dead in the face.
She hit all of them. She did?
Yeah. So this is a first for us, you guys. All of the kids are going on a ride by themselves. All three of the big kids are out there in the teacups doing it by themselves. They were so proud of themselves that they are now big enough that they can ride by themselves.
Can we go on that
How was it?
roller coaster? Sure.
How was the first ride by yourself?
Great.
Yeah.
Mine was great too.
Yours
It
was
wasn't
great.
my first roller coaster.
This is the first one you guys have done by yourselves, just the two of you girls.
This is my fourth one I done by myself. Yeah, we would have gone that one.
Okay, go ahead, I'll tell everybody. They're so independent now, they feel so cool. From one ride straight to the next one. Those kids feel so cool that they're going straight from one ride to the next one all by themselves.
The roller coaster. Oh my goodness.
Oh, she finally fell asleep, Mom.
I know, I had to do figure eights over there.
Oh, were you walking
I was
around?
walking around. I pushed her up the hill and down the hill, and then she goes, more. So I walked over there, she goes, no, more.
Well, you got your exercise for the day.
I walked that hill 3 times. Thank you very much.
The thing that's interesting about Branson and I guess Silver City in general is it's very hilly. It's not, when I think theme parks, I think of like flat open things like Disneyland and whatnot, but it's like up and down, up and down. Can she do it? Yeah! Poor Layla, you guys. hasn't been able to go on any of the roller coasters, maybe one or two, but now we finally get to go on one. Hands up, Ashley! Hands up! Goose finally got Ashley to go on one of the roller coasters with her, and this is a good one. This is the powder keg where it just goes from 0 to 60 in like 3 seconds. Super cool. How was it, ladies?
Oh my gosh, the kids in front of us kept looking back, laughing at me.
Your guys'
I was like, shut up.
faces in slow motion when you're taking off is amazing.
No, you slow-moed it.
Oh, I can't even imagine. I can't even imagine. I just close my eyes and my mind.
And scream.
And scream. You can't scream in the beginning.
You like
cannot
it's caught.
You get the dropping feeling when you
so
take off.
fast.
This is Goose's first
Upside down.
We have been looking and trying to find a ride that she can do where she can go upside down, and this is the first one where she has to be 48 inches and it goes upside down. Unfortunately, Layla cannot go, but Grady can.
Yes.
High fives. I'm excited. Boom. Ready?
Upside down.
Here we go. How was it? That was amazing!
I just got so light.
That was crazy! I have never been on a wooden roller coaster that went that fast. That was awesome.
Twisted.
That was so cool.
I haven't been on a roller coaster that goes twisty.
So proud of this kid. You're awesome, love.
Sideways and then it twisted. It twisted upside down. Was it amazing?
She did it.
She did it? Was she excited?
That was ridiculously fast. So how does it feel to have officially gone on an upside down
Good.
ride?
Now I won't be scared on the other one.
She did awesome. In fact, we went on it twice. After we got off of it. Yes, buddy?
You want to go on fire in the hole with me?
For sure. We're gonna go on another ride, but I was so proud of Goose because as soon as we got off and we talked to them, she's like, I want to go again. And so we had to go on it twice. That is by far the fastest wooden roller coaster I have ever been on. I didn't know it was engineeringly possible to have a wooden ride that not only like went upside down but spiraled. So if you do come to Silver Dollar City, definitely make sure Outlaw Run is on your bucket list of rides to do, because this is by far one of the most unique rides I've been on. And I've been to Six Flags, Disneyland, Disney World, all sorts of theme parks, and this is there's a train here. This is by far the fastest wooden roller coaster I've been on. Goose, what are you doing?
Hold on, I need to do it.
So I feel like only in Missouri would they have a place to pretend to milk a cow. Maybe not, maybe it's in other places, but seriously, among all the girls that we've met, all the kids that we've met in our travels, Goose and Layla, I think, have become the most fast friends of any of them that I've seen. They're both so similar. They both like to roughhouse and run around, but then they also have their girly side as well. Seriously, like BFFs. And they've only been around each other for a total of like 6 days, maybe 7 days total. I got it! I can't believe you fit that thing through that little tiny door. We are all done in Silver Dollar City, you guys. Did you have a good day, Goose?
There's another, it's King Kong, and he almost looks like the one who we saw a long time ago.
That is the exact point I was just going to make. Hey, the Hey Goods are singing here. Sorry, those are friends. Anyways, Pigeon Forge. This Branson reminds me exactly of Pigeon Forge. I don't know if they have like the same tourism board that like runs them, or if they're just completely copycatting each other, but Pigeon Forge in this area of Branson feel exactly the same. They even have some of the same exact things, like they had the Ripley's Believe It or Not and that King Kong thing. They have like the double-decker, triple-decker go-kart things. What was the other thing we saw that was exactly the same? Oh, the Titanic Museum, or I don't know if that's a hotel or what it is. Oh, the bus got high centered. Oh, RVers can relate to that. Look at that. His rear wheels are off the ground. That stinks. Anyways, it's funny. Comment down below if you've been to either Pigeon Forge or Branson, and then also let me know if you've been to both, because I honestly feel like I'm in Pigeon Forge right now. It's crazy. But the day is still young, guys. We are now headed out to dinner for my birthday dinner. Ooh, Krispy Kreme, and the donuts are hot. They're fresh. We could have gotten a free one. Anyway, squirrel moment there. We're going to The Landing, which is, I'm equating it in my mind to the Old Mill District in Bend, where it's like a bunch of restaurants and stuff by the river, and you can go and choose what we want. We were indecisive, so that's where we're going. It's supposed to be beautiful. Man, this place is exploding. There's stuff being built everywhere. The coaster.
It looks like one of those ones that we wanted.
Exactly, and like in Pigeon Forge.
Down, yeah.
Seriously, it's like we're in Tennessee right now. Is it a white?
Yeah, just come on now.
Pull it.
Can I have it? Can I have it? Give me. She's doing a magic trick.
Let me pull the stuff out of my mouth.